Every organization begins with an idea. This idea becomes the essence of everything the organization stands for. 30 years ago, our MD Mr. Prem Kumar had his big idea moment. After struggling to improve production in the iron and steel industry for over half a decade, he realized that the growth and progress of factories get hindered due to a lack of quality cranes. The cranes broke down repeatedly and the service engineers took ages to come and rectify them. It was these experiences that drove Mr. Kapoor to build a company that strives to give their customers an industry-leading quality of products with best-in-class service. His sense of purpose and his desire to give the best to the industry has inspired Shivpra Cranes to grow exponentially in the last 30 years.
We founded Shivpra Cranes in the year 1989. At that time, there was a severe crisis of quality machinery manufacturers in India. So we started manufacturing cranes with quality as the prime objective. Our first priority was to develop the cranes to fill up the technological void which has developed over the years in India. Crane was our way to contribute towards the great Indian growth story. We felt an onus to do so. Hence, there was no option but to deliver the cranes with the best designs and give best services. We were not just building a reputation, we were laying foundation for a legacy.
A legacy of trust and technology that is reflected in all the relationships. Today, Shivpra Cranes can design, deliver, service, repair and modify any crane in the country and provide hassle-free maintenance to their customers within 24 to 48 hours anywhere in India. The design team focuses on industry-specific challenges that might be faced and takes into account every minute detail. This allows them to customize the cranes as per the needs of the clients.
There are several examples where installation of cranes were next to impossible, but Team Shivpra designed and executed these jobs successfully.
Shivpra's low headroom cranes, scrap charging trolleys, curved beam hoists, etc. are some of such specialized products that have been specifically designed to serve plants with space or movement constraints. In order to have complete control on quality and to deliver the most reliable cranes, Shivpra Cranes manufactures all the mechanical components in-house and procures all the electrical components from reputed vendors. In order to ensure sustained performance and minimum maintenance, every component used in Shivpra Cranes passes through various stages of rigorous testing. The quality assurance team does a precise evaluation and scrupulous care is taken by all the engineers and technicians to maintain top product quality. Shivpra Cranes is among the very few companies in India with a load testing facility of 200 tons available in-house. Shivpra Cranes is proud of its service engineers who are always on the field. Their dedication has led to Shivpra being known for its best-in-class service and has helped Shivpra Cranes in bagging several servicing and maintenance contracts, including the AMC contract for over 230 cranes in BHEL for several consecutive years. It is one of Shivpra's proudest achievements. Another proud achievement is supplying 130-ton capacity gantry cranes to the Bangalore Metro project, and the TBM used for boring of underground tunnels for the metro has been handled using Shivpra manufactured cranes. The strength is what Shivpra's marketing team depends on.
Shivpra Crane has never advertised. 30 years of growth has been achieved through word-of-mouth publicity and client references. This can only be achieved by giving unmatched quality and service.
Trust plays a central role in Shivpra philosophy. This value is practiced on the factory shop floor by its philosophy of trust but verify. Step-by-step procedures for manufacturing every component have been laid down and followed. These procedures are continuously updated to improve the performance of our products. Shivpra Cranes is currently equipped to manufacture over 120 cranes per annum. Shivpra Cranes has built over 3,000 cranes in the last 3 decades. Shivpra Cranes meet the required Indian standards such as IS 807, IS 3177, IS 4137, etc. Their passion for excellence has helped Shivpra grow consistently over the last 30 years. With most of India conquered, the team has now set its eyes on new targets. Shivpra Cranes is setting up new factory at Cherlapalli, Telangana. The added production strength will allow Shivpra Cranes to keep up its reputation of timely deliveries to clients across the globe.
We are the top suppliers of industrial cranes in South India. We have achieved this growth with the help of our growth partners, that's our clients. Our clients have always been our guiding star. In order to provide the best lifting solutions, it is very important to understand every client's unique requirement, and here at Shivpra Cranes, that is exactly what we do. Our principles have guided our actions, and our values have helped us achieve the success that we've never even dreamt of. But now it's time to test these principles and these values at a much bigger stage. The challenge for us is no more to fill the void in the Indian industry. The challenge now is to make Shivpra Cranes the most reputed brand of crane manufacturers in the whole world. This challenge demands certain innovations in the way the company operates. However, Team Shivpra is always up to speed to take up these kinds of challenges. For Shivpra Cranes, only lifting the sky is the limit.